father a real Indian man. So my year stay. So my father
Yeah.
year stay.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me a pretty hair, man. A damage here get damage, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, chunga use. And shampoo where my sister use herself.
Uh-huh.
And after me find out my sister, as she show me say, Papa, you know, say shampoo damage your hair. Too, she tell me about it, she praise it. Go use
Uh-huh.
no fight, damage my hair.
Uh-oh.
Hair in fluffy and nice, man. All when trim,
Yeah.
come here, me not trim. To me hair fluffy. And black. Enough time my sister then hold me down for dye my hair, you know. 5 sister me having a pretty girl, that 2 dead, you know.
Uh-oh.
2 dead. Lana and Carmen. I'll show you a picture with them, man.
Okay.
Nice
It's
Indian
sad
girl,
though.
them. Lana dead when him a 52. Carmen dead when him a 47.
I'm almost sure you love your sisters, don't?
I swear, and them love me dearly.
That's how it goes sometimes. We
You see
lose
my
our
mommy?
loved ones.
My mommy was sick in a public hospital. I'm going to look for her, you know what she said? Tell my sister to go and take her out. She don't want dead in the hospital. She want dead in my hand. Right in my hand today. Right in my hand, so like I'm baby. She cried for me. From about 8 o'clock the night, she called my name. Me and my little sister, Marlene. Paka, Marlene. Straight till she, when I hear she say nothing again.
Oh, God.
But the day that eye open. 2 years open. So my back mother did peaceful.
You should die peaceful. That's a good thing. When you die peacefully, that's a good thing.
Her name is Daisy. Dark, my mother dark. And my father brown. We call him Papa John. He sing all Indian song for recording my father, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, my father got Indian session. You know what I move? You just want to get a chair. When him figure. And sit in place up.
Oh.
I tell him, man. Call him
Kinda,
Papa John and call him.
I kind of like
John Jukti.
Indian music from ever since.
And you know, with traditional music, my girl, we can't leave for tradition. With tradition music, even do some like words and we don't understand it.
Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah. I get I can get something get to show them in
That's good.
Ackee. Can eat the pranks, saltfish, chicken back, anything soft we can tender we can cook. Like this. Yeah, this is ackee. And when I eat ackee with dumpling, we eat ackee with yellow yam and soft yam and sweet potato. That's how we eat ackee. Indian people eat ackee different. Nigger people eat ackee with dumpling and banana and then tough food. We are Indian, we can't manage tough food. We need soft, tender food.